Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. That's right, we are our newest location at 1443. And today, Buddy and I have done something special. You're not going to see this because I'm sure no one else has been doing it because it's a little bit of work. What am I talking about? I'm going to tell you in 1 second. This is our telephone number. If you have questions, I'm sure when you see the video, you're going to have a few questions. This stuff I'm going to show you is not on our website, so you would have to call us. The cover is, but the rest is not. That being said, let's go over and take a look what we're talking about. While we're walking over there, hit that like button. You got the time? Go ahead and do it. Knock it out of the way now. So we got this brand new RetraxPro Toyota Tacoma, and what did we do? Well, we put a Retrax on there, but if you notice, there's an ARB roll bar on there, and this here Toyota sells, right? And it is not designed to work with a cover, but as you can see, we made it work. That's right. Buddy basically did a lot of work today and made sure this all worked, and with all our extra customizing. So let's go ahead and show you this. Go ahead and close this down here. So open the tailgate, and let's see here. There you go. Now, so by the way, this is a Kuwait bike rack, and they have two electric bikes. Basically, we had the truck all day, and the guests actually took the electric bikes and went to the beach. That's what's nice about having a store in South Florida. You can go to the beach while we're working on your truck. So here we go. We got the RetraxPro XR. Now the Pro is referring to the curtain here is all aluminum. Now this has got a 500-pound weight capacity. That puts it at the top of the level when it comes to strength for covers. Now the XR refers to the TSlot. Now this normally would bolt into the cargo management system in the bed. What we did is we basically modify it so we can use it with the TSlot. So they could take this off if need be. Now, because they got the TSlot, if you look behind us at my truck, you can see all those things. You can put some of those things on here as well, because you still got half the bed left. So if you want to add some tie downs or some other things, you can. So that's what's nice about the TSlot. Now let's go back to the Retrax. Now the Retrax comes with probably the best warranty in the business. This is going to have a lifetime warranty. Now there's some fine print to it, but it's a terrific warranty. So you're going to have one of the strongest covers there, 500-pound. You got the T-slots. It's got a nice powder coated finish here. And now, of course, you want to see, does it work with the roll bar? And it does. Now the roll bar is a little bit in the way, but not too bad. As you can see, I can still get my hand in here, no problem whatsoever. So you can reach in there, lock it in place. Now it is a little tougher because of this, but can it be done? Yes. Now, if you want this set up, this would have to be done here in the store. Generally, this would be probably too difficult for us to do it. I mean, we probably could tell someone how to do it or ship it here maybe. I don't know. We'll figure it out. The best thing is just come here and let us do it for you. Now, if you look here, you'll see the cover is attached to the cargo management system that's in the bed from Toyota. And that's really quite nice because it's going to be a lot stronger. Now, speaking of the strength, normally this would bolt into that, but it's bolted into the rail, and the rail is bolted into that, so it's still kind of there. Now I want to show you this here. This is not going anywhere. Now, this is a sports bar. It's not a roll bar. It's more for looks, but it does give you some protection back here. So, and it's actually a very nice bar, ARB. Now, I actually tried to find this for the customer, and I couldn't find it through my normal channels. But I want to do a little bit more research and see if I can get this as well. Like I said, they bought it from Toyota, and then they brought it with them. Speaking of brought it with them, we're down in South Florida. They're up in Orlando. They drove 3.5 hours for us to do this. So Buddy and I want to make sure this thing's done right, like we always do. It doesn't make it if you're driving 10 minutes or 5 hours. We're going to do it right for you. Now, speaking of the warranties, we do put a 1-year labor guarantee on our work today. And that's really nice. So let me go ahead and push the little button here. That's got the little handle, get it past the roll bar. Now, another really good feature about this, it does lock anywhere along the track. So if you want to stop here, anywhere else, most covers every 12 inches. Sometimes there's only 3 spots in the whole cover. This will stop anywhere. So if you want to put something tall in here and you want to put the cover right up to it, you can with this. Also, a really nice feature about the Retrax, it's American made, USA product. And as you know, I love my American-made products. You know why? Because we do a really good job. Americans make great products, and this is another fine product. And I've been doing business with Retrax probably going on, I don't know, 20 years now. It's been a long time. So, and if you see from our playlist, I got so many Retrax videos. Now, of course, this will be the first one with this setup. Now, I'm going to go ahead and close this up, and I'm going to have Buddy just kind of do a little walk around again. Oh, by the way, if you know, I'm gonna show you something else. If you look here, this has got a really good seal along here. And this is probably, as covers go, now as you know, no cover's waterproof, they're not submarines, but as covers go, this is the most water resistant cover of the bunch. The seal here, the big rails, it seals the canister when it's closed. It's got everything you would want to help with water. So, and I like this features here. But go ahead, buddy, swing around here, because I'm sure everyone wants to see how nice this truck looks with that sport bar, and boy does it look good. It really does. I'm really proud of our work here, and you know, buddy who's behind the camera, he did the bulk of the work of this, if not all of it. So he did a really good job on this. I'm really pleased with this, and I feel the guys should be just as happy as we are. Now, if you like this setup, again, give us a call. We can help you out. Also, don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. You're going to see stuff no one else is doing. I guarantee if you go on YouTube and you try to find this setup, no one else is doing it, but we are. So again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. This is a review of the RetraxPro XR with the ARB roll bar, and of course this is even the bike rack from Quit. How do I always say that? I always have it wrong here. There we go. Heavy duty, by the way. So, but very nice, goes right in there. Nice setup. Thank you very much.